Hi guys, this is Louis Dog, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys Stridor from the Masters of the Universe collection. It's a heroic armored warhorse. You can see the box art on here. Check this out. Isn't that cool? I wish I could get that thing right there. It's like a UFO kind of thing that Skeletor rides. What's that? Fisto. Got He-Man right there. And Stridor. Now, Stridor is a pretty cool horse toy. It's one of the unappreciated ones. Attached blast effect, I guess. That's just supposed to look like it's shooting something, but it's not. But yeah, it's one of the more underappreciated horses and an underappreciated toy. You guys might actually be able to find these at certain places, like your swap meets, your flea markets. So what do they got nowadays? Ross, D's. One place you could probably find it for sure is going to be at, what's the name of that store? I think it's called, is it Kohl's or is it Lowe's? I think it's Lowe's. Yeah, more likely you'll find it at Lowe's. Probably not for a low price, but you'll find it at Lowe's. Oh, check out that eagle looking thing with the blaster in the back. That is so cool. So, it's got some of the art right here. It says, one half warhorse, one half war machine. Stridor carries the heroes of Eternia to victory. What an amazing looking horse thing. It's like really cool. Let's see. Modernizing and celebrating the original 80s Masters of the Universe. Action figures. Masters of the Universe Origins gives you the power to pace Eternia's greatest warriors as retro style figures are in the new action packed battle positions. Basically, the more modernized versions of the old ones. So, what you got? Flying Fist, He-Man, Stridor, Terraclaw, Skeletor, Sorceress, Buzz-Off, Stratos, and Jitsu. Evil Master of Martial Arts. I remember like a ninja version. It's actually a good guy, one of those. Let's see what we got here. Replace. Second helmet. It does come with different helmets. Attach to floor of Castle Grayskull. You could actually attach this to the floor of Castle Grayskull. That's cool. Now, if you actually got the remake of the Grayskull Castle, that'd be really cool because I guess it has an attachment to it now. Pose into powerful battle positions. Alright. We're going to go ahead and see this side of the art. Cole's got this kind of lizard thing on here. Alright, let's see what about this side. It's got like a dragon on there as well. Well, that is so cool, guys. We're going to go ahead and take them out and get a better look at them. Alright, let's see what it comes with. It's got these 3 blasters. It's got like the horse reins. Got an extra helmet thing here, like that goes on top of the head. It's got this one, this one. It's got these 2 gun turret looking things here. I pretty much got asked the question, and I'm about to make this a little bit shorter than I wanted to. I think I might have passed it already. Let's see, with that helmet right there. I'll put them on here. And I guess I'll go ahead and finish off this time because I have something else to do. So that's the thing that went wrong. Should I do a part 2? Nah, I could just do a different video with this horse on there. And guess that's it for this one. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.